What a catastrophe!
Why is Probaba always doing?
Sorry, Daddy, I'm so sorry. There has been traffic.
Probaba, this is not nice now.
There's no time. Let's just rush into today's class.
I told you that I need this money. I need to step up my side also and be doing well so that I can take care of very important matters. So I've been trying, to be honest. I've been following your lesson one. But the problem now is I don't know when to open and close an order.
Daddy, calm down. It's step by step. You will learn everything about trading. First of all, you need to understand some basic definitions.
Oh yeah, I'm listening to you.
Stop loss,
okay,
take profit, stop out, and margin call.
Magic what?
No, margin call. Daddy,
margin call.
Margin call happens when you don't have enough money in your trading account to cover your potential losses. It is a warning from your broker asking you to deposit more money or close your trade because you are about to lose all your money.
Stop out, Uncle.
You remember I told you about margin call?
Yes.
Margin call is the warning, and stop out is the action the broker takes when you ignore the warning.
Sorry. You mentioned stop loss and take profit. What's that one about?
Stop loss and take profit are tools that helps you to protect yourself when opening a trade. Talk about stop loss. You might not be there all the time to watch your trades.
Okay.
So when the trade goes against you, the stop loss takes you off so you don't lose more than.
Okay.
The same thing with take profit, because you're not there in a short while, you might be off and the market goes to your direction. Take profits helps you to maximize and take trades when you are not there.
So that they don't go and lose money.
Yes.
Hey, yo. In fact, this lesson too is busting my head. I'm sure when I share it with my friends, they too, they will be following the lesson attentively so that they can trade better on Octa.
But Daddy, you need to trade carefully.
Okay.
And to do that, you need to understand technical analysis.
Let me put that one down somewhere.
Technical analysis involves studying price charts to know the market's next move. And on the Octa platform, you can find global update to help your analysis.
Well, I'm going to make it big time.
Okay, Daddy, I think it's time for you to move from demo account to a real account. Let's do the real deal.
I'm the real deal.
But don't forget, to be profitable, you have to keep learning. And you can get all the educational material on Octa's YouTube channel.
I shall never be caught sleeping on a bicycle. Let me go and subscribe to it. You have done so well for me today. So we will see for lesson 3. All right, thank you, Probaba. Take care of yourself.
Bye.
Ooh. Let me tell Chantel that all will be well. I'm about to ring her bell.
What a catastrophe!
Hello?
Daddy.
Yes, Chantel. You see that car that you have been disturbing me for? I'm about to buy it for you.
Really?
Because Freaky Daddy is now doing well.
Thank you.
Who is that? No, it's not. Never is not around though.
I can hear you. You are sending money to get and you are owing me money. Never get shoe.
October.
What a catastrophe!
October. Daddy, why is not at home?